A lot of people hear the word trust and assume it must be complicated or that it's only for very wealthy families. But that's not always the case. Hi, I'm Rebecca Bell from RB Legal. Today we're talking about what a revocable living trust is, how it works in Minnesota, and why it may be worth considering as part of your estate plan. So, what exactly is it? In Minnesota, a living trust, often called a revocable living trust, is a legal arrangement you create during your lifetime. It holds and manages assets like your home, bank accounts, investments, or other property. In many cases, you can serve as your own trustee and stay in control while you're alive. You can use the assets, manage them, make changes, and even revoke the trust if your circumstances change. You also name a successor trustee, which is the person who steps in later if you become incapacitated or when you pass away. This is where planning truly matters. One of the main reasons Minnesotans use a living trust is to help avoid probate. Assets that are properly placed into a revocable living trust can usually pass directly to your beneficiaries without going through probate court. That can save time, money, preserve privacy, and make the process smoother for your family. A living trust is also a powerful tool for incapacity planning. If you become ill or injured and can no longer manage your finances, your successor trustee can step in and manage the trust assets without needing a court-appointed conservator. That can be a tremendous relief for your loved ones during a stressful time. Another benefit is the flexibility. Because the trust is revocable, you can update it while you have capacity. You can change beneficiaries, adjust instructions, or add and remove assets as life changes. But here's an important point. You need to know that signing the trust is not enough. The trust needs to be funded. That means your assets need to be transferred into the trust. If your home, accounts, or other property are left outside the trust, they may still need to go through probate. It is also important to understand that a trust does not automatically eliminate taxes or protect assets from creditors during your lifetime. That's why we offer a funding option when you work with us. You don't have to worry about more to do on your plate, and you are protected when those items are in the trust. Setting up a living trust in Minnesota may seem overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Minnesota law, specifically the Minnesota Trust Code, provides the framework for how trusts are created and managed. But that's where experienced legal guidance makes all the difference. If you are wondering whether a revocable living trust makes sense for your Minnesota estate plan, reach out to us. We would love to guide you through your options and make sure your plan is properly drafted, funded, and aligned with your long-term goals so it actually works the way you intend. If this was helpful, please like this video, subscribe for more estate planning guidance, and leave your questions in the comments. Thank you for watching, and come back soon and check out our other videos. Bye-bye now.